Welcome to this quarter-acre lot in the gorgeous community of Holyrood. This warm and cozy home is fully equipped with solar panels and sits on a 10,000 square foot corner lot, nestled in a cul-de-sac just steps from Holyrood Park, community lead, community playground, K-6 French Immersion Elementary, and Community Seniors Association. My name is Leanna Martens, and I am so excited to bring you along to this rare opportunity and my newest listing at 7907 93B Avenue. 3 beds up, 2 down plus den. This home has 1,453 square feet and has been lovingly maintained. All the things that make a house a home intersect in this perfect family home. Thank you so much for coming on that tour with me. If you or anyone else you know is looking for such an amazing community and an even better home, make sure you reach out to me. My details are below, and I'll see you on the next tour.